In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents to Wise. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to wise.com/user/verify, and then you want to sign into your account. And after you're in here, you can see you can upload your documents over here. So as you can see, it's possible to actually do it for all these things over here. So let's say you want to verify your identity and your identification. You can just go ahead and click on it over here, and it's going to give you one of the two options. So you can either scan a QR code, so you have to use your phone camera to scan the code, and then you will be able to do this inside basically your phone's app, or you can go ahead and click on send a link by email, which basically then you get sent the email, and then you use your phone to open the email, and you can follow your instructions. So here is going to say that if you don't have a phone, you can also continue on desktop, but of course they recommend switching to your phone if you have one, because webcams usually do take lower quality photos than phone cameras, so it's harder for them to verify you. So basically, if you actually do have an access to a phone, use this one over here. So for example, this QR code, or you can go ahead and get it sent to your email, scan it with your camera code, with your phone camera essentially, and then you'll be able to go ahead and upload your documents over there, and that way verify your account on Wise. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.